Hey everybody, I'd like to introduce you to a little project I've been working on lately. It's a Zigbee based home automation system. It's running on a Python script. I've got that running on a server in another room. It's basically just hooked up through a USB serial port to a little module similar to this. I was using Series 2 modules. It should be pretty easy to adapt to Series 1 though. I've got a web server running, I've got WebSocket support, I can also telnet in, send some commands directly. Here's the web interface. I've currently got two modules that I'm going to show you. Most of the work though has gone into actually making this pretty easy to expand, add your own modules, basically just put down the structure and framework for that. At the back there I've got a Moodlight. I'm just going to show you that running on Ajax, which is the fallback for non-WebSocket browsers, or if that gets disconnected. Works pretty well too. That's that. But there are some advantages of WebSockets, making it pretty easy to have two-way communications. Already I can see it's announced itself, sent a ping command of sorts, and updated its status over there. It's pretty responsive too. I've got that in cyclic sleep, so it takes maybe up to about a second to wake up, and once it's up, it's pretty responsive. So the first module that I'll show you is my air conditioning infrared beamer. It's a small little thing. It's got infrared LEDs, zigbee module, and microcontroller, transistor, some resistors there for the LEDs, and USB just for power. Now, plugging this in, it should announce itself. See it become available there, and basically clicking on these tells the microcontroller some stray signals already, controlling my air conditioning, and I can also change the fan speed. Yeah, you get the idea. Here I've got my Moodlight. It's on a breadboard still. I've got a power supply, Zigbee module, microcontroller, 3 resistors and transistors for the very bright RGB module, and I've got a digital output currently driving a LED, but that could be used for a toaster or whatever you want. It's basically that. All of this works pretty well through a mobile phone too, since it's a web app. So I can change the colors here. I've got a random fading function. Just basically goes to some random colors. And obviously the LED works too, so that's through here. All of the source code is online, so feel free to come out and check it out, contribute if you'd like. Constructive criticism is always welcome. I'd like to see what you guys make out of this. That's about it. Thanks.